Today we're going to talk about jobs that you can work from the comfort of your home. Online tutor. You could make a living by helping people out and teaching them what you know. You can teach kids from school and also college students. There are a lot of people who could use your help. Thankfully, with the internet, you don't have to be limited to your local geographic area. You can teach kids and people from all over the world. You can find work on tutor.com and Wisam. Baker or chef. If you are good at baking or cooking, then turn your passion into a side business. You could become a chef. If you are a baker, you could sell your goods to friends, neighbors, at local markets and even online. Blogging. Blogging is inexpensive and easy to start. You could write about food, fashion, lifestyle, music, and so on, and eventually start generating money from your site. You will have to pay a small amount to start cashing in on your blog. Data entry. Inputting data for businesses might not be that interesting as a job. However, you don't need any previous experience and can also get paid on hour basis. E-commerce store owner. You can become an e-commerce store owner by selling your goods online. There are 5 types of e-commerce business models in which you can get into: dropshipping, wholesaling, manufacturing, white labeling, and subscriptions. You can launch your own e-commerce store on sites like Shopify, Magento, and WooCommerce. Handmade crafter. Do you make handmade products like jewelry or furniture? If so, try getting up an Etsy shop and selling your handmade crafts online. Film and post instructional videos. Are you really good at something? Try creating a YouTube account and filming yourself, instructing others on how to do what you're skilled at. To start earning some cash, enroll in YouTube's partner program so that you can make money according to the views obtained.